know is that we are the last offensive force on the West Coast. We cannot lose Los Angeles.
We got 5 barrels down, 2 clicks west of CP Victory. We're hit. Tighten your asses, we're going down. Command and control, down. We have civilians in need of support. Tables inbound, first and engage your sectors of fire, over.
It's gonna get harder from here. We gotta get smarter to make